Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your eFootball account on mobile so you can keep all your progress and team. So let's get started with the video. First, open eFootball mobile on your device and this is the screen that will come up once you get the app and open it. Now simply tap on the three bars at the side of your screen and here you'll see data transfer. Simply click on it and you'll see multiple login options like Game Center account or Konami ID, or if you are on different versions of the game, you might get Google, Facebook or Apple ID as well. Choose the one you want to use, create your account, enter your credentials like username, email and password and sign in there. If you have two-factor authorization enabled, follow the prompt to verify your identity, and once logged in, your saved teams, coins, GP and progress will appear on that account. And that's it guys, it is as simple as that. You are now logged in on eFootball mobile and ready to play against your friends or globally. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment if you face any login issues so that I can guide you on how to resolve it. And let's get started, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.